Welcome to Best Buying Guide. The best 4 to 40 screws is probably one of the most underappreciated components in the world of electronics and small-scale construction. These tiny fasteners play a crucial role in securing everything from circuit boards to delicate mechanisms. In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of 4 to 40 screws, exploring their various types, materials, and applications to help you make informed decisions for your projects. Number 5. Screws, nuts and washers set with storage box. This kit includes 280 pieces of machine screws, nuts, and flat washers. It comes with a variety of sizes to meet different needs. It's a comprehensive set for various applications. The set includes panhead screws in sizes #4-40 and #6-32 with different lengths. Also included are flat washers and nuts for both #4-40 and #6-32 screws. You'll have everything you need. The machine screws are made of high-quality 304 stainless steel. This ensures superior rust resistance and long-lasting durability. You can rely on them for your projects. The nuts and bolts are organized in a storage box with compartments. The clear view design makes it easy to identify the parts. It helps keep everything neat and accessible. These #4-40 and #6-32 screws and nuts are suitable for many applications. They can be used in precision machinery, electronic products, and home improvement. They are versatile and useful. What we like. This kit offers a comprehensive selection of #4-40 and #6-32 screws, perfect for various projects. The stainless steel construction ensures longevity and resistance to rust. If you're tackling a range of tasks, from electronics to home improvement, this organized set is a great choice. What people say. It had 4 different lengths for each size, 4 to 40, 5, 16, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, quantity 20 each, 6 to 32, 5, 16, 1, 2, 3, 4, 7, 8, quantity 20 each. Plus quantity 40 standard nuts of each size. This is a perfect little box of machine screws that includes a variety of lengths and nuts. This screw assortment provides a set of classic smallish standard machine screws. It comes with #6-32 and #4-40 in 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1 lengths with nuts and washers. Number 4. 304 Stainless Steel Nuts and Bolts Assortment Kit. This kit includes a wide variety of bolts, nuts, and washers in different sizes. It's a comprehensive set designed to meet various needs. You'll find everything you need for your projects in one convenient package. The bolts and nuts are made from high-quality 304 stainless steel. This material ensures long-lasting durability and excellent resistance to rust and corrosion. It's built to withstand tough conditions. Each size of bolt and nut is neatly organized in separate Ziploc bags within the box. This makes it easy to find the right size and keeps everything organized. The box is also travel-friendly. This set is perfect for a variety of tasks, from home repairs to DIY projects. It's ideal for electronics, woodworking, furniture, and more. It's a versatile tool for any project. We offer a 24-month money-back warranty to ensure your satisfaction. Customer service is our top priority, and we are committed to providing you with the best experience. If you have any issues, we're here to help. What we like. This kit boasts an impressive 900 pieces, covering a wide array of sizes. Made from 304 stainless steel, it promises excellent rust and corrosion resistance. If you're a DIY enthusiast or frequently work on home repairs, this comprehensive set will keep you well equipped. What people say. The quality is good and gives you the opportunity to have a nice selection of fasteners on hand. Love that this kit includes plenty of options in 3 different sizes and even more options for length. Great by durability and size. Excellent screws range from small up as per the chart enclosed. Number 3. Guard 4U #4-40 UNC Stainless Steel Screw Kit. Introducing the Guard 4U #4-40 UNC Stainless Steel Screw Kit. This comprehensive kit is designed for a variety of applications, offering convenience and quality in one package. Made from 304 stainless steel, it provides superior rust and oxidation resistance. This ensures that it can withstand the test of time and maintain its integrity even in challenging environments. This kit meets ANSI 18.6.3 specifications, guaranteeing precision and reliability. You can trust this product to deliver consistent performance. The kit includes a wide range of SAE sizes, including #4-40x316, #4-40x1, each with 20 pieces, and 120 nuts. This variety ensures that you have the right size for almost any project. This screw nut kit is perfect for door handles, light fixtures, and various repairs. It's also suitable for precision machinery and electronic products. The kit contains 280 pieces, all neatly organized in a sturdy, transparent plastic box. It's easy to install and built to last, making it a valuable addition to any toolbox. What we like. This kit is specifically designed with precision #4-40 screws, meeting ANSI 18.6.3 specifications. Crafted from 304 stainless steel, it offers superior rust resistance. If you need a reliable set for detailed work or small repairs, this is a great option. What people say. I need to mount the boards in the boxes for a finished product. These are perfect replacements. My only gripe is the nuts are packaged separately in a small bag, really no big deal. Definitely worth the money. Number 2. Kadrick M4 Screws Assortment Kit, 1400 PCS. Introducing the Kadrick M4 Screws Assortment. This kit provides a comprehensive selection of M4 screws, nuts, and washers, perfect for various projects. These screws come in 4 different sizes and feature a 0.7 mm thread pitch. They are meticulously crafted for precision and reliability. Made from high-strength 10.9 grade alloy steel, this assortment ensures durability. You can trust it for demanding applications. The screws are neatly organized in a sturdy plastic storage box. This makes it easy to find the right screw when you need it. Keep this Kadrick screw set handy for 3D printing, repairs, and more. It's a convenient solution for a wide range of tasks. Kadrick specializes in fasteners and rigorously tests its products. Plus, it comes with a 24-month after-sales warranty, ensuring your satisfaction. What we like. This assortment focuses on M4 metric screws, ideal for 3D printing and similar applications. The high-strength alloy steel ensures durability and reliability. If you're into 3D printing or need metric fasteners, this kit provides a convenient and dependable solution. What people say. The screws are made from high-quality materials that feel sturdy and reliable. They have a nice finish, and I haven't experienced any rust or corrosion so far. The threading is accurate, allowing for smooth insertion and secure fastening without stripping, which is crucial for maintaining the integrity of any assembly. This kit includes a wide range of bolt sizes, M2, M3, M4, M5, making it versatile for various projects, from DIY tasks to professional applications. Number 1. HVAZI #4-40 UNC Stainless Steel Screw and Nut Kit. Introducing the HVAZI #4-40 UNC Stainless Steel Phillips Pan Head Machine Screws and Nuts Assortment Kit. This kit is perfect for various projects, offering a reliable and durable solution. This comprehensive kit includes 220 pieces. It contains a variety of screw lengths and matching nuts, ensuring you have the right size for the job. The screws have a number 4 thread diameter with 40 threads per inch. The length is measured from under the head. This makes them suitable for a wide range of applications. The assortment includes multiple sizes, such as #4-40x316, #4-40x14, and more. Each size comes with 20 pieces, and there are 40 nuts included. Made from 304 stainless steel, it offers excellent chemical resistance. This material ensures the screws and nuts are durable and long-lasting. The kit comes in a compact, see-through, compartmented plastic box. This makes it easy to organize and find the size you need, and it is also easy to install. What we like. This kit provides a good selection of #4-40 screws and nuts. The 304 stainless steel construction offers good chemical resistance. If you need a compact and easy-to-manage set for smaller projects, this is a great choice. What people say. Use this for multiple projects. Recently repaired set of barbecue tongs. Very handy to have around. Everything is included for 99% of the times you need a 632 fastener. Fixed my golf cart, good product. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.